Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Well, I found a really cool wrench last week at a garage sale. Um, I bought it with a couple of other tools, and it altogether was $10. But I guess you could say this wrench cost me maybe $3. This is a combination wrench made by Bemis and Call. Here's the text of an old ad. This wrench not only combines the superior qualities of a gas pipe wrench, but also the requisite combinations of a regular nut wrench, thus making a combination wrench that has no equal. Bemis and Call was an early maker of tools and hardware dating back to a partnership between Stephen C. Bemis and Amos Call in the early 1840s. The company produced a variety of tools including dividers, compasses, squares, and wrenches of various types. This is probably one of my favorite wrench finds in quite some time. I really like this wrench. I was lucky to get it.